In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of the Berner Architectural Icon 8 or 10 air curtain. We'll show you how to mount the air curtain when there is an obstruction directly above the opening where we want it installed. In this case, an automatic door motion sensor. This requires the use of a spacer board. The first thing you're going to do is remove all of the packaging material that the air curtain arrived in. If you see any damage, let the shipping company know right away. Take out the red bag as it has any accessories that have been ordered, as well as the installation instructions, which you should read through carefully. Working with a partner, gently lift the air curtain up and out of the box. Remove the styrofoam and any other packing material, and be sure to locate the mounting bracket, which will arrive loose inside the box. The Berner Architectural Icon 8 or 10 air curtain arrives with 3 mounting rails or brackets. 2 of these rails are factory attached to the air curtain's back. The third rail will be loose inside the box. This third rail or bracket is actually the mounting bracket, which features pre-drilled holes. However, depending on your wall structure and the location of your wall studs, you may need to drill additional holes for secure attachment of the bracket in the air curtain to your wall. Before mounting, you will also need to ensure that the screws attaching the other 2 rails to the back of the air curtain are tightened to a torque of 50 inches per pound. We're installing the spacer board on the wall first because there's a motion sensor above the doorway that we need to clear. The rule of thumb is that whenever you need to install the air curtain more than 1 inch above the door opening, the back of the air curtain must be spaced out from the wall 3/8 of an inch for every 1 inch higher. This is to allow the airstream to clear the door frame and reach the floor at the appropriate angle. We're putting up a 2x10 onto which we're going to secure the mounting bracket and then the air curtain itself. Before mounting the air curtain, check the supporting structure to verify that it has sufficient load-bearing capacity, and the mounting hardware, which is supplied by others, should be capable of supporting a minimum of 3 times the weight of the air curtain. Now that the spacer board is affixed to the wall, let's secure the mounting bracket. You'll want to measure and mount the wall bracket 4 3/4 of an inch above where you want the bottom of the air curtain to sit. This ensures that the air curtain sits flush at the desired mounting height above the opening. Use the pre-drilled holes in the bracket to securely screw the bracket into place on the spacer board. Once the bracket is secure and level, we're ready to mount the air curtain. To mount the Berner Architectural Icon 8 or 10 air curtain, you will need a team of 2 to 3 people. Lift the air curtain up and position it to the wall at a slight angle. Slide the air curtain down so that the top wall mounting brackets interlock. Lastly, screw in 1 locking screw in the middle of the top wall mounting bracket. Your Berner Architectural Icon 8 or 10 air curtain is now securely mounted to the wall and ready to be wired by a qualified electrician. When the doors are open, Berner air curtains save energy and create healthy, comfortable environments.